Have you ever wondered how a small peanut turns into peanut butter, roasted snacks, or even peanut oil on your table? The journey of this simple nut is much bigger than it looks. From the time a seed goes into the soil to the moment you enjoy it in your kitchen, peanuts go through months of farming, harvesting, and processing. Today, we'll uncover the complete farm-to-table journey of peanuts. To make it clear, we have divided this journey into 4 simple parts. In the first part, we'll explore peanut farming, starting from seed types, sowing, irrigation, and weed management. In the second part, we'll discuss harvesting and drying methods. In the third part, we'll look at how harvested peanuts are treated, stored, and turned into products. And finally, in the last part, we'll see how peanuts move from farm to market and also share a simple business plan for beginners. Stay with me till the end, because this will change the way you look at a peanut forever. Part 1. From seeds to growing fields. The journey starts with choosing the right seeds. Farmers usually select from several peanut varieties, depending on the climate and market demand. Common types include runner peanuts, which are widely used for peanut butter. Virginia peanuts, known for their large size and roasting quality. Spanish peanuts, popular for their high oil content. And Valencia peanuts, which are often used for sweets and snacks. Each type has its own purpose and value, and farmers choose carefully to match their soil and market needs. Peanuts need warm soil to grow, so sowing time is very important. In most regions, peanuts are planted in late spring or early summer when the soil temperature reaches around 20 degrees Celsius. Farmers plant the seeds directly into the soil after preparing smooth seed beds. The spacing and planting depth are also carefully maintained to allow the plant enough room to spread and develop underground pods. Water is a key factor in peanut farming. Peanuts don't need heavy rainfall, but require regular moisture during flowering and pod formation. In modern farming, many farmers use irrigation systems like sprinklers and drip irrigation to ensure that the plants get the right amount of water without wastage. Too much water can damage the pods, while too little water can stop them from growing. Balancing irrigation is one of the biggest challenges farmers face. Weeds are a big enemy of peanuts. Since peanuts grow low to the ground, weeds can quickly cover the fields and steal nutrients. Farmers traditionally remove weeds by hand, which is time-consuming but effective. In many areas, herbicides are used carefully to keep weeds under control. Technology has also stepped in. Some farms now use mechanical weeders to reduce manual labor. And in advanced countries, laser weeders and AI-powered machines are being used to detect and remove weeds without harming the peanut plants. This not only saves time, but also increases crop yield and quality. After about 4 to 5 months, the plants turn yellow, and it signals that the peanuts underground are mature and ready for harvest. At this point, the farmer prepares for one of the most important stages, the harvesting process. Part 2. Harvesting and drying. Harvesting peanuts is a fascinating process because, unlike most crops, the peanuts grow underground. To bring them out, farmers use specialized machines that dig up the entire peanut plant, including the roots where the peanuts are attached. As the machine lifts the plants, it shakes off the excess soil, revealing clusters of peanuts clinging to the roots. Once the plants are pulled out, the next step is separating the nuts from the plant. Harvesting machines, often called peanut combines, do this job by stripping the pods from the roots. The leftover plant material is either left on the field to decompose naturally or used as organic matter, while the peanuts are carefully collected for the next stage. Freshly harvested peanuts contain a lot of moisture, which makes them unsuitable for storage. To solve this, farmers dry them. Traditionally, the pods are spread out under the sun for several days, allowing natural heat and air to slowly reduce their moisture. While sun drying is the oldest and most common method, it depends heavily on good weather and takes time. In modern farms, mechanical dryers are often used to speed up the process. These machines blow warm air evenly over the peanuts, making sure they dry faster, more uniformly, and are safe to store or transport without the risk of spoilage. Even after the main harvest is complete, not all peanuts are collected in one go. Many remain buried in the soil. To make sure no crop goes to waste, farmers sometimes use specialized machines that dig deeper to recover these hidden peanuts. This extra effort shows just how valuable the crop is. Farmers don't want to leave even a single pod behind. Part 3. Processing and product making. Once the peanuts are fully dried, farmers reach a crucial decision point. They usually have two options. The first is to sell immediately. Local traders, wholesalers, and factory owners often buy in bulk right after harvest. This provides quick cash flow for the farmer. The second option is to store the peanuts safely in warehouses or storage facilities. By waiting for a few weeks or months, farmers can take advantage of market demand and sell at a higher price when rates go up. This choice often depends on the farmer's financial needs, storage capacity, and local market trends. After peanuts are purchased, they begin their journey of transformation in factories. The process starts with thorough cleaning. Machines remove soil, stones, dust, and leftover shells to ensure purity. Then comes sorting, where peanuts are graded based on their size, shape, and overall quality. Large, healthy peanuts are usually chosen for direct consumption, roasted snacks, or creamy peanut butter. Medium or slightly broken peanuts are often used for making crunchy products. Smaller or lower grade peanuts don't go to waste either. They are crushed and pressed to extract peanut oil, which is widely used in cooking and food production. This careful processing ensures that every single peanut, whether big or small, finds its purpose in the food chain. Different products from peanuts. Roasted peanuts, roasted and salted for direct consumption. Peanut butter, made by roasting and grinding into a smooth or crunchy paste. Flavored snacks, peanuts coated with spices, sugar, or chocolate. Peanut oil, extracted and used for cooking. Byproducts, the leftover shells and skins are sometimes used in animal feed or as fuel. Every step in the factory adds value and creates multiple products from a single crop. This is why peanuts are considered one of the most versatile agricultural crops. Part 4. Market, farm to table, and business plan. After processing, peanuts are carefully packed into different forms depending on how they will be used. Some are packed in simple bags as raw or roasted peanuts, ready for people who enjoy them as a quick snack. Others are sealed in jars and turned into smooth or crunchy peanut butter that families spread on bread every morning. Many peanuts are packed into small snack packs for children and travelers, while a large portion is pressed into pure peanut oil, bottled and sent for cooking use. From the factories, these products begin their journey into the market. Big trucks carry them to wholesalers, who then supply supermarkets, local shops, bakeries, and even restaurants. Slowly, the peanuts move closer to our daily lives. And that's when they finally arrive at your table. Whether it's as peanut butter on your sandwich, roasted peanuts in a snack bowl, or peanut oil sizzling in your favorite dish. Business plan for beginners. Now let's talk about something very exciting, the business side of peanuts. Peanuts are not just a crop, they're an opportunity. With low input costs, multiple product options, and strong global demand, this crop can turn into a steady income source for beginners. Even if you're new to farming, starting with peanuts is simple and rewarding. Here's how you can do it step by step. Choose the right seed type for your soil. Prepare land and sow seeds at the right season. Use irrigation wisely and control weeds. Harvest at the right time and dry the peanuts carefully. Decide whether to sell directly to factories or create small-scale products like roasted peanuts or peanut butter for local markets. The profit margin depends on how much value you add. Selling raw peanuts gives you quick returns, but processing them into snacks or butter can multiply your earnings. With growing demand worldwide, peanuts offer a good opportunity for small farmers and entrepreneurs. So this was the complete farm-to-table journey of peanuts, from seeds, sowing, irrigation, and weed control, to harvesting, drying, processing, and reaching your kitchen. Every peanut carries a story of hard work and innovation. If you found this journey interesting and learned something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel Smart Farming Inside, and share it with your friends. Together, let's keep discovering the amazing world of agriculture.